Everybody speaks English, no mistakes.
Robert, I have to go.
You have to go? Where?
To school. I have to go to school every morning.
Chloe, say that again.
I have to go to school.
You said, I have. But school is not a thing you own.
Robert, what is happening?
Today the lesson is have to. I have a ball is a thing. I have to go is not a thing.
But it is the same verb.
It is the same verb doing a different job.
What job?
When you say I have to, you are not talking about things. You are talking about things you must do.
I have to go to school. It means I must go.
Exactly. Have plus to plus a verb.
I have to eat. I have to sleep. I have to study.
Perfect. All three.
I have to eat.
Johnny, that is correct, but you always say that.
Because I always have to eat.
The grammar is perfect. The situation is a problem. Johnny, what do you have to do every day?
I have to eat. I have to run. I have to find my ball.
You have to find your ball because you lose it every day.
That is why I have to find it.
Now the negative. I do not have to go.
I do not have to go. It means I can stay.
Yes. I do not have to is free. It is not a rule.
I do not have to eat.
Johnny, is that true?
No. It is grammar, not truth.
He is learning fast.
Milo, what do you have to do today?
I do not have to do anything.
Nothing. Really?
I am a cat, Chloe. Nobody tells me what to do.
Milo, do you have to eat?
I have to eat.
Do you have to sleep?
I have to sleep. But I like sleeping, so it is not a rule.
Milo, do you have to be nice to Johnny?
I do not have to be nice to Johnny.
And are you?
Sometimes.
Robert, that is the whole lesson right there.
Say it, Chloe.
He does not have to. And he does it anyway.
That is the difference between have to and want to.
I did not say want.
You did not have to.
Robert used it. He used it in a joke.
He did, Johnny.
Chloe, you have to go to school now.
I have to go.
And do you want to go?
Some days.
That is honest.
Robert, do you have to stay here?
No, Chloe. I do not have to.
Then why are you here?
Because I want to.